What's going on, everybody? Adam Hill Vending, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut your vending product cost in half, specifically with your candy selections. All right, as we know, 2025, the prices, everything have gone up, right? Everything's huge. Chocolate now, a candy bar is $1.10, Skittles are $1.10, everything's crazy. And the problem is, if you want to keep raising your price on your customer, they can get sometimes a little bit angry with that, right? Because you're constantly increasing their price. So this is a strategy. I'm going to show you a number of different products today that you can put in your machines. It takes a little bit extra work, but you can cut that from $1.10 to 60 cents. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first product, and all of these are available at Sam's Club. So you might be able to find them at a different store near you, but the process, the idea is the same. Sam's Club and Amazon.com. You're gonna go on Amazon.com. You're gonna order some 3x5 cellophane wrappers, just like this. They've got a little tab on them. Then you're gonna go to Sam's Club. You're gonna pick up some Airheads. You're gonna pick up some Gushers. We'll get into the rest. You're gonna take your tab. Airhead comes 90 to a box. They're 15 cents each. They're just too little to put in the coils because they will fall through. 15 cents. So it's up to you how many ever you want to put in a bag. I would say at 15 cents. At 15 cents, I'm putting 4 in a bag. We have put these out and these have sold too. This has been tested. So we're putting 4 Airheads in a bag. You rip the tab off here. You fold it over and boom. There's your new candy bar. Instead of paying $1.10 for Skittles, $1.10 for a Snicker bar, 4 Airheads, and the cost is, with everything, with the bag, 62 cents, let's just say. And you can sell this for $2 all day long. Boom, there's your first product, Airheads. Then you're gonna go grab you a box of Gushers, 42 Gushers. I've got it written down over here. It's $13 for 42, it's 31 cents each. 31 cents each. These are too small to vend. These are too small. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take our bag. This will only fit 2. To me, it doesn't really matter how cute it is. You drop a couple in there, they're gonna see it. You rip this off. You fold it over, boom. Now you've got Gushers at, what are Gushers? Roughly 64 cents with the bag. Sell them for $2. You can make $1.36 right here, a turn, $1.36. Again, the reason you're doing this is because prices keep going up, and yeah, you can keep raising your chocolate prices, you can keep raising the prices on your customer, but in a world in vending where, you know, people can sometimes be price sensitive, this is another option. So you guys get the concept. Look in your area, right? Fruit roll-ups, same deal. They're 20 cents. You put 3 of them in a bag, that's 60 cents. The same deal. Sell them for $2. Beef sticks, 120 Slim Jims. What's the problem with Slim Jims? These ones, they're too small, right? You can't put these in there. You don't have coils to do that. But same concept. Take 3 of these at 20, 40, 60 cents. Put them in a bag. Now you have a beef stick item that you're gonna get good sales on. So there's that item. Now lastly, this doesn't take a bag, but with pastries, right? You can grab some of these boxes. You can grab some of these. These are 30 cents each. Put 2 of these, 60 cents, put 2 of these. Instead of paying $1 for a pastry, you're paying 60 cents, and people are getting 2 Twinkies for $2. There you go. So hope this video helps. A way to cut down on your cost, on your product costs. When everything's going sky high, you have to make these little adjustments if you're a smaller vendor to try and keep some more money. So again, Gushers, Airheads, wherever or whatever product you find that's too small to vend, think about packaging it up and getting a better margin and making more money. Hope that helps. But remember, most importantly, Until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.